My next project is I'm going to make a stand for just decoration purposes. This is a mainstay Walmart plate. This is with the rest of the plates, but this is plastic and it has this decorative edge to it. I also picked up this bowl and it also has the same decorative side to it. So what I'm going to do is take off the tags, and then my plan is to take this bowl and glue it to the bottom of this to make a little bit of a tray. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take off the stickers and I'll be right back. So again, I did purchase these at Walmart and they were each $1.68, I believe it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and just glue this to the bottom here. I'm gonna hot glue it, as simple as that, to make a little bit of a stand here. So I'm just going to test it out because I do want to be able to take off the hot glue again if I decide to do it that way. Because I'm not 100% certain if I want to keep it like this forever, or if I'm all right. Try and find my center. And if you wanted, you could even use it like this. So here's my tier tray. My next item, I purchased this at Hobby Lobby and it was $23.99, but it was a fall item and it was 75% off, so I got this for under $6. So the set of 4. What I plan to do with this is just get it all set up. It is ceramic and it does have a light in it, which is really cute. So I do plan on just putting a bow on the top here to match my decorations. My next project will be flocked ornaments. I did pick up these ornaments from the Dollar Tree because I wanted to try something a little bit different. Some of them had some problems with them, so I wasn't taking them away from somebody who could actually use them because these were probably going to be something that they wouldn't be using. So right now what I'm going to do is just go over the items that I have. I picked up these from the Dollar Tree. I picked this up. This paint is dark green and it is from Hobby Lobby. I have a paint tray, obviously just laying around from the Dollar Tree. And this here, I did purchase from the Dollar Tree as well. This I'm going to use to take off the baking soda. And then I have another set of paint. These are from the Dollar Tree as well. I do believe they still have these, but I have had these for a little while. But I do believe that they probably still have them. Also, I'm doing it just slightly different. I'm gonna put it in a bag and see if I can flock it that way. So here I have some baking soda, some older baking soda that I'm going to be using. So I'm gonna do it just a little bit different because I'm gonna test out a few things here. So I'm gonna paint it first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here and coat it and see how this works.